All right, today just got my mail. Got my package from Live Box Breaks. I like using them uh, with its hawk that runs those brakes. What I like about it is that you can do obviously case brakes, individual brakes, but the pick a pack. Pretty fun. So go ahead because I'm trying to remember what packs that I bought. They do break them. He does break them live for you. So, alrighty. Does a great job packaging them for you. I do a lot of the silver packs, Father's Day packs from him. Again, he does a great job. So, 18 Donruss. Nothing too exciting here, except for Josh Allen, Mr. Aaron Rodgers. I'll just probably sleeve this after I'm done here. Separator here. Alrighty, so yeah, these are Father's Day. Yeah. Nice breeze. I really collect pretty much all sports. So again, they do have a variety of packs to pick from. So here's a Press Pass 2008 Press Pass, which I don't think I got anything good. Derrick Rose, but I'm not sure that he's worth that much. And DJ White. Oh, not bad. Two more cards because again I forgot that I bought these, and then I didn't actually get them to see them break. So alrighty, former Seahawk, I believe Ohio State Buckeye, Joey Gallo. That's a pretty cool card actually. Let's see, Tony Stewart, Terry Glenn, Kerry Collins, Muhammad. Alright, Napoleon Kaufman, former University of Washington Husky. This is a cool card too. Similar to almost like the stained glass from 2019 Marvel Flair. You can kind of see through the card. Alrighty, so Irving Fryer, Scott Mitchell, Charlie Batch. Again, kind of a cool card there. The Bus himself. Isaac Bruce, Greatest Show on Turf. Priest Holmes. Hines Ward. Again, I bought a bunch of different packs, so Kwame Brown. Let's see, Eddie Jones, Jason Terry, University of Arizona. Rip Hamilton. Okay, I got one more. Alrighty. All right, so playoff momentum, 2000 or 1999, I think is what. Yeah. Terry Glenn X's and O's. 99 out of 300. It's pretty cool. Eddie Curry. That's 257 out of 350. 2001 Upper Deck SP, I think. Pros and prospects. Yeah, sorry. A bunch of commons. Make all stop. Big old fullback there. Alrighty. Mr. Brock Heward, University of Washington graduate. Tony Simmons. Let's see, we'll just go through these real quick. Brian Greasy. Leslie Shepard. Stephen Davis. Mr. Marvin Harrison. Great Colt there. Sleeper. Herman Moore. Let's see what else. Let's go through these real quick. These don't slide very well. Mr. Steve Young. Mr. Murderer. I'm just going to cut that card up. Jeff Blake. Mr. Sharp. Jeff George. I believe owns Dairy Queens now. Cordell Stewart. Ed McCafferty. Son is obviously having a great career so far in the NFL. Derek Alexander and Wesley Walls. Alrighty, so again, those were my packs that I received from Live Box Breaks today in the mail. Thanks to those guys. Again, they do a great job. Great variety of things to purchase. Thank you.